As you can see, the complete path of this file and folder is available here. First, I'll tell you how you can hide or unhide this path. For that, you need to go to the View option, and after coming here, you come to Hide Path. If you hide the path, it will be hidden from here, and if you show the path bar from here, it will be displayed here. Along with this, here are the shortcuts as you can see here. You can also see this. Now let's say this is the folder whose path I want to copy. You have to right-click. After going down, you have to hold the Option key. After that, the copy option will appear in here. You can copy it from here, and here the text editor as I opened. Now I will paste it here. So now you have the complete path of this file in as here, and in this way, you can copy the path of any file. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.